The Archer and Olive subscription boxes are here. Are you ready to find out what's inside? Okay, let's go. Hey people, it's Temi if you're new here, and if you're in the bullet journaling space on social media, or if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen sneak peeks of this box. So if you managed to snag one before it was sold out, I will show you exactly what you should expect inside. But if you missed out, stay tuned to the end because I'll be giving away one of the items in this box. Okay, so it's a bullet journal subscription box. So you might know of art subscription boxes, but this is perfect if you're in the bullet journaling space. And it's this pretty blue box. It's like a turquoise color and it's limited edition. So all the items in the box are unique to this box. So you can't find them on the Archer and Olive website. And basically you subscribe for quarterly boxes, which are all themed. And inside we have loads of goodies. So the theme of this box is mystical creatures, and you soon see how the different items in the box feed into this theme. Okay, so the boxes you get each quarter will be completely different. So I'll show you what's in this winter 2020 box. First, we've got a B6 blackout notebook. Then we have an A5 regular paper notebook. Then we've got some acrylograph pens. So we've got new colors of acrylograph pens in the 0.7mm size. And they all match this color palette and have a metallic silver as well. Then we have this beautiful set of 4 washi tapes and some new products to Archer and Olive. So we've got this notebook cover and this pencil pouch that attaches to your A5 journal. They've also included some printables which can help you get started if you want to make a dream board. So those are all the physical items. You also get a 3-month subscription to Club A&O, which is an online community with exclusive content, access to new products, giveaways, and a monthly Q&A with the owner of Archer and Olive. So here are all the items. I'll now show you each of them individually, and I'll also test out the pens. First, we have the A5 notebook, and it comes in this limited edition box. If you're familiar with Archer and Olive products, you know they normally come in a white box with some botanical artwork, but what they're doing for each subscription box is it will have a different box unique to that subscription box. So on the inside, we have this beautiful white vegan leather cover, and oh my gosh guys, how beautiful is this notebook? So when we were sneak peeking, this was one notebook that we couldn't sneak peek because we wanted to keep the element of surprise when you open the notebook and you see the design. It has this pretty fairy design and it's all holographic and holographic gilded edges. It is so beautiful. And the pages in the notebook are white and they are the 160 GSM thick paper. If you want an idea of how well Archer and Olive notebooks perform, I'll link my video below where I did a notebook comparison and I did a pen test, paint test, and all of the rest. Now we have the B6 blackout notebook. So it's this teal notebook with linen material, and it's a simple cover with no design, but it has these black pages on the inside. And here are the notebooks side by side. So just for a quick comparison, the white one is the A5 notebook and the blue one is the B6. Now we have the acrylograph pens. So we've got these 5 colors of acrylograph pens in the 0.7mm size. And I love how this is basically a tester to acrylographs if you haven't used them before. So I'll show you each pen. So here's the 0.7mm tip. And the tip is removable. So I've got an entire video on the acrylograph pen, so I'll link that down below if you're interested in knowing how to activate them. But I find it quite difficult to use at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's fantastic. But you have to shake it for a while and then press it to activate. Now I'll quickly do a pen test on the 3 different types of paper. So this is just an Archer and Olive white notepad, and I've stuck in some craft paper and black paper over the top so that we can see how well each pen performs on each color. So first up, we have this green kind of color, and I'm just writing random sentences to see how well they perform. But when these pens are well activated, the ink just flows amazingly, and honestly, this is just beautiful. So you can see that the acrylographs are so vibrant on each of them, but especially on the white and on the black paper. Next, we have this baby blue color, and again, it's just crazy to me how well you can see it, especially on the black paper. I think it's just excellent. On the craft paper, I'm not really liking the green or the blue at the moment, but that's just personal preference. Now we've got this purple color. This color actually looks great on all the paper colors, but as I'm drawing the line, I'm noticing some scratchiness, so I'm just doing some more pen activation, which is just shaking the pen and then pressing the nib, and it starts flowing perfectly. Next, we've got the second purple color. It's almost like a faded purple. It's more grayish, and again, when I notice some scratchiness, I shake some more and I come back. And finally, we have the super metallic shiny silver, and oh my god, how beautiful. Look at how it pops on the craft and the black paper specifically. It's so beautiful. I can't get over that silver. So there you have it. These are the 5 pens that come in this pack, and I'm especially impressed with how well they show up on the black paper. But it's just a really nice combo for this mystical creatures theme. Next, we have the pencil pouch, and it's this bright silver holographic-ish kind of design. It has this purple strap that attaches to your notebook, and it's got purple lining on the inside as well. I'm just gonna put my acrylograph pens inside, and yeah, it's a pretty good size. It's also got a storage space in the front. I'm just gonna quickly test how it goes over an A5 notebook. So this is an Archer and Olive notebook as well, and it fits over perfectly. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I had this a while ago. It's so perfect for if you have multiple pens that you wanna carry on the daily. Next, we have this notebook cover. It's kind of like silvery and glittery, but it kind of has water on the inside or some sort of liquid. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's really good for if you're into like sensory things, because it feels really squishy and really cool. I'm just gonna try it on this black notebook again to see how it will actually look in your notebook. And by the way, this is from my 2021 setup for my sister. I'll link that video if you're interested to see those beginning spreads. And how cool is this design? It just takes the notebook to another level. If you're into sparkly things, this is definitely for you. It's just got a clip. The only thing I'd say is it means you won't be able to use your pen loop anymore, so definitely bear that in mind. Next, we have the washi tape. So this washi tape set was designed by design team member Naba from Whimsical Doodle. She's amazing. I'll link her down below. And I'll quickly show you the 4 designs. How beautiful are they? I especially love this silver one. Oh, it's so beautiful. The final items in the box are these printables of how to make your own dream board, simple instructions and cutouts that you can stick into your own dream board for the year. And my friend Julia from Julia Royal Journals made this printable on how to create your own dream boards, and I'll link this down below. Okay, so there you have it. These are all the physical items in the box, including the Club A&O 3-month subscription. The box is valued at $175, but the box was on sale for only $70. So if you use my discount code TEMI10, you got the box for $63, which I think is just amazing. I think this box is great value for bullet journal lovers. It's a quarterly subscription, so every 3 months you have the opportunity to get amazing themed products and exclusive products. It's just exciting. I really love this box. Also, I think it's a great introduction to the brand, or introduction to some products that you might not use. For example, you might not have bought a set of acrylographs before, but you get to try them in this box. But yeah, now it's giveaway time. I'll be giving away this beautiful A5 notebook. We're approaching the start of the year, and I want one of you to win this notebook and to potentially use it for your 2021 journal. So exciting. So the rules are as follows. You need to be a subscriber. I guess that's basic because I'm giving this to my supporters, not a random person. So you need to make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. You also need to follow me on my bullet journal Instagram, temi.journals. I mean, it's always a fun time over there. That's where you get the first updates. I post stories, I interact with you guys in the DMs. You get to see sneak peeks like this one. But most of all, that's where I will be announcing the winner. So you won't know if you won except you're over on my bullet journal Instagram. And all you need to do is to leave a comment down below. You can leave a comment saying anything you want, but you need to leave your Instagram username as well. The giveaway ends a week from today, so Sunday, December the 13th, I will announce the winner. And it's open internationally, so I'll post the book to whoever wins, and fingers crossed you get it before the new year. Check the description box for the full giveaway rules, and good luck guys! So thank you for watching this video. Let me know down below if you managed to snag your own box, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.